Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Pastilla recipe. This is the seafood version and it's also my recipe, so I really hope that you enjoy this one. So first I'll be adding in all the seafood ingredients, starting out with squid in the first 10 minutes. Then to the squid I will add some fish for another 10 minutes, and for the last 5 minutes of cooking time I will add some shrimp or some prawns. Remove this from the water and set aside, and then we can start boiling our vermicelli. This then boils for 3 minutes. But this would depend on the brand that you have, so just make sure you check the packet instructions as well. Set this aside also, and we'll use it for the filling. So to a pan I add some butter until it's melted. I add some onions and ginger garlic paste. This is like my base flavour for my stuffing. And then I add in the fish. Try and break it down so that it's quite nicely distributed throughout the dish. For my spices I've got some ground cumin, some North African mixed spice, some paprika, some cayenne pepper, some salt, saffron and black pepper. So I add the spices followed by the noodles and break everything down. I added in just a tiny bit of water just to help regain moisture within the pan. You don't want this to be wet, it is a dried filling because you want the layers to still be crispy. And now we can add in some fresh parsley, and I love to add in lemon juice. I think lemon juice really complements the seafood. So that's me just adding in a whole load of lemon juice. And now the stuffing's done, I can leave that aside. So to my dish, use a non-stick dish. I add some butter using a pastry brush. So then you can start adding in your pastry sheets. So some people use phyllo, but I'm going to be using the spring roll sheets because they're crispier and they're just more pliable, like they're easy to use. So I add one to the center, add in a bit more butter, and then I add about 4 around. And once I've done this, I can then add in a little bit more butter and then add in the stuffing. So with my stuffing, I like to really break it down when it's in the pan so that you get every single bite of that fish taste or seafood taste rather than having chunks. So I'm just adding that in now. And then you can fold in the side. So then with the pastry, I just tuck it in to completely cover it so that it looks nice and smooth, and then I can brush once more with a little bit of butter, and you can use some egg wash for that golden colour. Place this in the oven at 180 for about 20 minutes until it's mostly golden, and then after, if you would really like that intense golden colour, I would then broil it for an extra 2 to 3 minutes, and this is what it looks like once you've broiled it. This is the complete recipe. I use some lemon slices for garnish, followed by some extra prawns and some parsley. If you would like to see me do the traditional version of the recipe, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.